Late last year, we quietly released enhanced neighborhood information on every listing on c21.ca, your brokerage website, and your agent website. This data is provided by LocalLogic, a proudly Canadian company that's a leader in location intelligence data. We've been working with LocalLogic for years as they've always provided our network with the local content widget. You've probably seen it sitting just below the property information on all listings. It shows what amenities are close by, the bus routes that service the area, the character and vibrancy of the neighborhood, where the closest parks are, and a myriad of other information touching on almost 20 metrics. The new and enhanced neighborhood data is found below the local content. It starts with a neighborhood description and then goes into a detailed map search for all the amenities within a few kilometers of the property. Everything from restaurants, cafes, and nightlife, to shopping, home improvements, and fitness, to pet care and even gas stations. And the businesses are conveniently hyperlinked, so with the click of the mouse, you can see their website. The next section is the neighborhood characteristics, which display a high-level summary of the neighborhood. It gives a score out of 10 on detailed metrics around transportation, convenience, shopping, and services, as well as the character of the neighborhood. Neighborhood demographics is the next section, which pulls government statistical information to provide a snapshot of the makeup of the neighborhood. This includes income ranges, age breakdown, housing types, and the percentage of renters versus owners, household makeup, levels of education, how people get around in that neighborhood, and the main languages spoken in that area. The next section is nearby schools, which lists all the schools within the radius of the property. It is important to note that this does not show school catchments. It does list both the private and public secondary and elementary schools nearby. And the last section shows the property value drivers. These are the characteristics of the neighborhood that drive home prices in that area. You will see these featured on all listings, whether listed by a C21 agent or not, and on all of our websites. These consumer-facing data points are useful for people moving into a part of town they might not be familiar with, or people relocating to a new city. This is another way that we're adding value to make our websites more attractive to the real estate viewing public.